Good morning, children. Welcome to Nivedita School offline classes, and the subject is Social Studies. Hope all are fine, children. Yes, now let us come to the studies. Yes, where were we, children? Yes, we were in lesson number 3. House we live in. Right, children? We have already learnt about the part 1 and part 2. This is the part 3 and this is the activities part. Yes, children, but before going to this, yes, what have we learnt in part 2? Let us have a quick recap. Yes, children, we all got to know about the different rooms in a house. Right? They are the drawing room, the bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, dining room and the study room. Yes, children, these are all the different rooms in a house, and good house has a windows to let in the fresh air and sunlight. Right, children? This the fresh air and the sunlight plays a very important role in our day-to-day life and in a person's good health. It plays an important role. Yes, the fresh air and the sunlight, we need it much. Yes, children, we feel very fresh and calm. Right? And we should always keep our houses clean. Yes, children, and the people who live together in a house, they help each other to keep their houses clean. Yes, the mummy sweeps and mops the floor of a house, and the papa, how he helps to keep clean the house, and the Mona and Romy, these are the two daughters. Yes, they help their parents in keeping their houses clean and tidy. Right, children? This is all about the house we live in. And now let us know what all the activities are there in the part 3. Children, look here. This is the first activity. Circle the correct word. Okay. Here are the list of the questions. We need to circle the correct word in all the sentences. Yes. The first one is, all of us need a house or school to live in. Right, children? What do we need to live in? We need a house to live in. Right, children? So, you have to circle the word house here in this first sentence. Right? This is the correct word. House is the correct word here. Okay? The second one, the house we live in is our home or family. Yes, the house we live in is our home. Right, children? Home is the correct word here. So, you have to circle the correct word home here in this sentence. Next, coming to the third one, we sleep in the bedroom or bathroom. Where do we sleep, children? Yes, we sleep in the bedroom. Right, bedroom is the correct word. So, you have to circle the word bedroom here. Okay, now going to the fourth one, the last one. Yes, we read our books in the dining room or the study room. Where do we read our books, children? We read our books in the study room, right? Study is the correct word here. So, you have to circle up this word study here. Okay, hope all have understood, children. Yes, now let us move to the next activity. Yes, the activity is answer the following questions. Yes, children, now one by one let us read the answers and the questions. Yes, why do we need a house? The first question is, why do we need a house? The answer for the question is, we need a house to live in. Okay, children, this is the first question and answer. Coming to the second one, What is a home? Answer for this is the house we live in is our home. The third one, where do you cook food in the house? Yes, children, where do we cook food? We cook food in the kitchen, right? We cook food in the kitchen. And the next one, the fourth one is, what is a good house? A good house is one that has windows to let in fresh air and sunlight. Right, children? This is the answer for the fourth question. Okay. The answer the following question is completed now. Let us go to the another activity. That is, fill the blanks with correct word. Yes, children. The first one is, a dash lives with love in a house. A family lives with love in a house. Children, you have to fill the space with the word family. 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 Right, children? The second one is, there are different dash in a house. Yes, there are different rooms in a house. Yes, you have to fill the space with rooms. Word rooms. 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 Yes, children. Now coming to the next one, we have a bath in the dash. Where do we have a bath, children? We have a bath in the bathroom. Correct. This is the word bathroom. You have to fill the space with this word. Okay. I'll spell the word BATHROOM. Bathroom is the correct answer. You have to fill in this space. Okay, now coming to the fourth one, we should keep our homes dash. We should keep our homes clean. Clean is the correct word. You have to fill in this space. CLEAN. Clean. Yes, children. Now coming to the next activity. Look here. This activity is about the furnitures or the things in the different rooms. Yes. Where do you find these things? Right on the line. Yes, children. The first picture is, what is this? This is a bed. Right, children? Where do we find this bed? Yes, we find this bed in bedroom. Right, children? You have to fill the space with the word bedroom. 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 Okay, now next one is, yes, children, what is this? Can you identify this thing? Yes, this is the furniture or a chair. Right? Where do you find this? Yes, we find this in our drawing room. Right, children? You have to fill the space with the word drawing room here. DRAWING. ROOM. Drawing room. Okay, children. The next one, look here. Where do you find all these things? Yes, the soap, the bucket and the mug. Where do you find these things? Yes, children, you are correct. We find all these things in our bathroom. Right? You have to fill the space with the bathroom here. BATHROOM. Bathroom. Okay, children, got it? Yes. Hope you all have understood. Yes, now coming to the next activity, circle the odd one. Yes, children, you have been given with the list of the set of the things. We have to circle the odd one. Look here, what has been given here. First one is the drawing room, right? Drawing room. What all the things you find in drawing room, children? Yes, you find a chair in the drawing room, right? Okay. And here it is a television or the TV. Yes, we find television also in the drawing room. Okay, the third one, look here. It is a bucket. Right, children? This bucket we find it in the bathroom, not in a drawing room. So, this is the odd one here. So, we have to circle this, the odd thing. Okay? Children, next coming to the second one, kitchen. Right? What all the things you find in kitchen? Here there are 3 things. Yes, let us see what all the things are there. Yes, this is the gas stove. We find this in kitchen. Yes, this is a box, children. And this is a microwave oven. Yes, the gas stove and the oven, we use these things in the kitchen. This is a box. This is the odd one here. So, you have to circle up this thing. Okay, children, this is the answer for the second one. Coming to the third one, the bathroom. Yes, children, what all the things we use in bathroom? Do we use a mug in bathroom? Yes, we use a mug in bathroom. Okay, soap, do we use soap? Yes, we use this also in our bathroom. Yes, look here, what is this? This is a pressure cooker. Right, children? This we don't use in bathroom. Rather, we use this pressure cooker in our kitchen. Right, children? You are all correct. We use the pressure cookers in kitchen to prepare food. Right? That's why this is the odd thing in this. We have to circle up the pressure cooker here in the third one. Coming to the next activity, look here, children. We should keep our house clean. Tick right mark to what you do. Yes. Let us see what is there in this. Yes. Do you throw things here and there? Yes, children. Do you all throw things here and there in your house? No. That's why we don't put a right mark here. Do you keep your things in proper place? Yes, do you all keep your things in proper places in your home? Yes, children. Yes, we all keep our things in a proper place. So, you have to put a tick mark here in the space given below. Right, children? This is all for now. This is the activities part which we have been ended up with. Yes. Now, thanks for watching this video. This is the end of lesson 3, House We Live In. Right, children? Thank you for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.